In this video, I'm going to show you how to download TikTok videos without a watermark. So open your browser, Chrome or any other, and then search for vidmate APK. Please don't try to get this app from the Google Play because it is not there on the Google Play. You can either download from the vidmate official website or direct use APK Pure. Okay, we're going to go to the vidmate official website, then click free download now, and then accept. I already have the app downloaded, so that's why I'm not going to download it again. Then now open the vidmate app. After installing, after opening this vidmate app, now you can open your TikTok app. Let's say this is the video I want to download. So what I will do, I click on share, then I click on copy link. Once the link is copied to my clipboard, now I get out of TikTok and come back to vidmate. Vidmate should automatically detect a copied URL. And then from here you can click on go, then download. If not, then you can tap here, then manually paste that URL you copied, then click go. And this pop-up that asks you to open TikTok, just click not now, and then here's the video. So click on this download button here in the bottom right, and you see analyzing. Wait a few seconds, then choose what you want to download from this video. You can either download the music from that video or you download the video itself. So click on video, then click download. So the video is about complete downloading. So once the video has been downloaded, click on done. Then you can access the video by clicking on this files icon on the top right there, and then here's your video. You can also access it in your gallery or in your file manager. So in the gallery you will see it, here it is, and there is no watermark on this video. Also, to manually access it via your file manager, I use the archiver, and you find it in the vidmate folder, then download. So this is the video I just downloaded, and it is here. So that is it about this video. If you found it helpful, leave a like, and if you're new to my channel, a subscription would be important.